Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, this is a beautiful apartment. This is the Urby. This is their one bedroom den. It's in Dallas, Texas, and it's super, super fun. It's just a great, whimsical, fun, Scandinavian kind of feel here. And at the Urby, it's got just beautiful kitchen. I mean, look at this kitchen. It's just gorgeous. It's a beautiful lighting. It's got unusual kind of look and feel on the countertops. Samsung appliances. I mean, you're gonna love it here. It's gonna feel great as you're in here. You're gonna love the feel here, and then you're also gonna love it just with this look and feel here too in the living room. It's just beautiful. You're gonna have great light coming in all the time. Now it's a little bit of a that's funny because it's a summer day and you've got rain that's out there, but it doesn't matter because you're gonna have great light coming in anytime, and you've also got great light in here. So you've got a really beautiful, fun experience to come. So if you're coming from out of state and you want a great high-rise feel that's kind of relaxed, whimsical, and fun, you couldn't really beat the Urby. It's really hard to beat it. And it's super, super fun. A little bit of the bedroom. That's what it looks like. The bedroom's super fun in this one. Really, really nice. All the bedrooms are really fun at the Urby. They really are. And you're going to have plenty of windows here. And then here is your bathroom space as well. Walk-in shower. That's pretty much normal here at the Urby. And really nice feel. So, hey, if you're ready to take a tour, that's what I would do. I would take a virtual tour. We can set that up live to do a virtual tour where you can see everything you want to see. And you can do it from New York City, London, wherever you're located, California, El Paso, wherever you're located. Send that text in and just say, hey, Grant, hey, I'd like to do that virtual tour. It sounds like a great idea. My number's below. I look forward to hearing from you.